it's Todd here from Baking with Foxhole Kitchen. Join me today as I show you how to make chicken shawarma, only on Baking with Foxhole Kitchen. Foxhole fam, I'm Todd and welcome to Baking with Foxhole Kitchen. This week, as I said, we're making chicken shawarma. Now, many of you guys may have not have heard about what chicken shawarma is, but trust me, when you get a bite of it, it's simple, easy, and of course, so good. So if you're ready, then let's have some fun. Alright guys, to start off with our shawarma chicken, what I'm going to do is make our marinade. We're going to start off with half a cup of oil. Okay. To that, we're going to add juice of 1 lemon, 3 cloves of garlic minced, get all that out there, 2 teaspoons of salt, 1 teaspoon of cumin, 1 teaspoon of coriander, half a teaspoon of black pepper, half a teaspoon of turmeric, quarter teaspoon of cinnamon. Quarter of a teaspoon of cayenne pepper. And I'm just going to whisk this together. Okay, I think that's looking pretty good there. What do you think, Dave?
Looks good.
Alright, let's go ahead and move on here. Next up, guys, this is going to be real quick here. What I'm going to do is I've got 2 pounds of chicken thighs here. And I'm going to go ahead and just marinate this in our chicken.
Okay.
And then we're going to set this in the fridge for about 2 hours. You could technically leave it in overnight, but you know, some of us like to eat, so.
Sure.
So yeah.
Stir them around, yeah.
Oh yeah, look at that. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. We'll just keep working this around here. Yeah, that's a nice golden color there.
Oh yeah. Okay.
Alright, let's set this in the fridge.
Okay.
So while our chicken is marinating, I'm going to go ahead and make our yogurt sauce. I'm going to start off with half a cup of Greek yogurt, not Greek.
Okay.
Now, Dave, have you ever had shawarma?
No, I haven't actually.
Yes, this is going to be something new for both of us. It's very eclectic, so next up we're going to do juice of half a lemon. Well, I think that was the oil, but that's 1 tablespoon of oil. And then juice of half a lemon. 2 cloves of garlic, minced. A little bit of salt. And then a pinch of crushed red pepper flakes. That should be good there. What do you think?
More than enough now.
And we're just going to whip this together.
Okay.
Looks pretty good there. Let's go ahead and get this in the refrigerator.
Okay, sounds good.
Alright guys, it's been a little over 2 hours, so what I'm going to go ahead and do is I got an onion here that I've already cut up. I'm going to just dump it into our chicken marinade. I'm just going to give it a little bit of a mix here. I went ahead and preset the oven for 425 degrees. And we're going to get ready and bake our chicken here. I mean, how's it looking here, Dave?
Looking good. Get that onion mixed all in there. And yeah, looks good.
A little messy, but
yeah,
you can't really not get messy whenever you're cooking. Okay, so you said what we're going to do here is take our baking sheet, correct?
Mm-hmm.
And we're just going to lay these down?
Yep.
How's that looking there?
Yep. Let's eye on the onions and spread them out. There you go.
Don't have to be exactly pretty, right?
No, they don't have to be pretty. Their thighs, they're not pretty to begin with.
But honestly, I think you've told me at one point thighs are probably the most tender, correct?
Right. Thighs have a mixture of light and dark meat, and they're probably the most flavorful part of the chicken. They also don't get tough and dry like breasts do if you cook them in a soup or a stew.
Okay.
So I think we're good.
All right, let's go ahead and get these in the oven here for half hour and see how we did.
Okay.
Alright guys, let's go ahead and assemble our chicken shawarma here. Got a little bit of our yogurt sauce. Looking good there, Dave?
I'll put a little more.
You think?
Yeah. There you go. That's good.
Alright. Gonna give it a little bit of our chicken here.
Okay. Looks good.
A little bit of lettuce. A couple cucumbers. And some tomatoes.
Okay. Looking good.
Okay, and now we get to ready to go and try it.
Okay.
All right, let's do it. Now it's time for my favorite part, the taste test. So let's see how we did here. Yogurt sauce adds a nice little touch. Chicken's not too spicy. Enjoy, guys. Wrapping up today, I want to thank you again for joining me and encourage you to check out our friends and support channels listed in the description below. But before I go, always remember, it's good times and good food, only on Baking with Fox in the Kitchen. I'll see y'all soon. If you like this video or any of our other videos,
Be sure to hit the like and subscribe buttons and stay tuned for future shows.